Introducing the MVX medium voltage soft starter from Aucom, the safest soft starter in the world and the smallest. The MVX is a fully arc-proof medium voltage soft starter to suit a variety of applications, including marine. MVX soft starters are available with options for line and bypass contactors, circuit breakers, earthing and isolation switches. The compact size of the power assembly means a smaller footprint, taking up less precious space in your switch room and leaves you cabinet space for auxiliary equipment to be installed. The MVX is less than half the space of any other option on the market today. Most of our customers prefer a complete panel for a cost-effective, faster, seamless integration. Aucom can provide a range of panel options, including soft starters, power factor correction panels, incomers, bus riser and bus couplers, or metering panels. Aucom panels also provide isolated compartments for bus bars, LV section, MV section, viewing window to inspect the switching device position without opening doors, lockable doors as standard, hinged door panels, interlocking racking system for vacuum circuit breakers and soft starter, modular design for single panels or lineups, Aucom keypad for system monitoring, and the small footprint IP00 soft starter. If you prefer to build your own panels, MVX soft starters can be supplied in IP00 format or as a kit for local assembly. MVX phase cassettes feature a very small footprint, isolated control via fibre optic connections, conformal coating of PCBs as standard, all within a compact modular unit. To ensure that your staff and plant are safe from arc faults, MVX is the only choice. MVX meets or exceeds all the relevant IEC standards for arc resistance. An arc fault is a high-powered discharge of electricity between two or more conductors. Arc fault events can occur in less than a second, so not even the fastest person is able to react to protect themselves. Responsible specifiers should ensure that they require all switchgear to meet IEC 62271-200, like the MVX soft starter and panel. The following is actual security camera footage to help communicate the seriousness of arc events. Sensitive viewers may find it disturbing and may wish to look away. In this example, a site engineer is racking in a circuit breaker without protection from the arc fault. Notice the rear of the cabinet for damage. This footage is arc fault testing of the MVX L series panels in a controlled environment. The panel is surrounded by cotton fabric on all sides to prove containment. If none of the material catches alight, the panel has passed the test. An arc event is deliberately caused in multiple locations inside the panel, at the circuit breaker, the phase cassette connection points, or at the bus bars. The compartment sidewalls protected LV sections from an arc fault in the MV section and would have protected any operators from harm. Note that the panels are scorched but not compromised. LV sections are entirely clean and unaffected by the arc event. Each panel is made up of a series of compartments equipped with sidewalls. The special design provides an 8mm air gap between two neighbouring panels in the unlikely event of an internal arc. This design assures that the damage is limited to the panel where the fault occurred. The compartment sidewalls protect LV sections from an arc fault in the MV section and would have protected any operators from harm. MVX L series panels have 3 power compartments and 2 LV compartments. the bus bar compartment, the cable compartment, the circuit breaker compartment, and 2 instrument compartments. In this animation, the 1-second arc event is slowed down. Here, the arc event is located in the connection between the phase cassette and the buswork. There is an immediate release of energy at around 10,000 degrees Celsius. Then a heat and pressure wave begins. This wave begins to liquefy some of the materials and metals within the cabinet, and the pressure moves outward, except where it meets resistance from the compartment sidewalls. The pressure builds to the point where release flaps on the top of the panel open. Heat and gases from the liquefaction of materials is safely released via a ventilation shaft. The operator in front of the panel is unharmed. Your safety is our primary concern. So during the commissioning phase, your starter can be connected to a low voltage motor for testing the soft starter and its associated power and control circuits. As well as comprehensive run simulations, the MVX can simulate each protection to ensure the starter is signaling as expected and interacting correctly with associated equipment. For complete electrical isolation, communication between the low voltage controller and the high voltage power assembly is via fibre optic cables. Your MVX features simple, plain language, so you don't need to look up trip code tables, with extensive metering information to allow easy monitoring of motor performance at all times. 99 position logs record all information on the starter's operating history in separate event and trip logs to assist in troubleshooting. A wide range of protection features ensure your equipment can operate safely in the most demanding environments. Each protection can be individually adjusted to the required sensitivity or can be disabled if required. A full list of protection is available in the brochure or user manual. The MVX is manufactured at our own facility, and every unit must pass thorough testing at our dedicated test lab. Aucom is a world leader in soft start design and manufacture. Our rigorous ISO 9001 quality program ensures every starter meets the highest standards for reliability and performance. The MVX is a superior medium voltage soft starter that our customers demand for critical applications and prefer to trust Aucom.